In this tutorial, we'll understand how to calibrate the PCB with a dishwasher. Calibration is necessary in the following situations: when the dishwasher displays OE, IE, or BE errors, if the PCB, sump assembly, or harness has been replaced. Let's begin. Step 1. Press and hold the power button and the extra dry button for approximately 3 seconds. The display will show T06. Then, press the half-load button. The numbering on the display will start from 000. Currently, the water sensor is operational. Wait until the value reaches 600, then power off the dishwasher. Step 2. Press the power on button, the auto button, and the start button simultaneously. Then, press the start button 8 times. In a few seconds, ILO will appear on the display. Wait until ILO changes to OLO. When OLO appears on the screen, it indicates that the PCB has been successfully